Okay, this is a quick status update for our OpenBazaar 2.0 Go application. What I'm going to do here is just basically make a purchase. I have two nodes here running on my computer, so we're going to buy something from one of them is going to buy something from the other. So to get started here, I need to set a profile on both of these. Alright, so that's one. Do it for the other one. Alright, now we need to set a listing. We'll use this one on the left as our vendor. Okay, send that off. So if we look in our look in the data directory here, we have this is our listing directory. There would be images in here if I upload some images. In our listing index, I'm going to grab this hash right here. And if I wanted to view this like in a browser, okay, this would be viewing it on the other node as if this was the buyer. And this is the listing that we're going to purchase. Okay, so it's basically a t-shirt. So now let's do the same thing. Purchase. Before I send that off, I'm just going to update this hash over here. Okay, and then we'll send it. And I screwed up, hold on. That contract is ordered. Okay. So send it off and we've got insufficient funds. So in our OpenBazaar 2.0 here, we have a Bitcoin wallet built into the app. So when you would click the send button, it's going to be sending funds directly from your wallet to the other user's wallet. So before we can do that, we're going to have to get some Bitcoins. Alright, so this is a fresh address here. And we'll come over to a faucet. Okay. Alright, so we received them. I think I made this listing is actually more than that, so I'm going to have to do it again. Okay, it just took a little while to receive that first payment, so we got 3 payments to the faucet. Okay, so let's just make that purchase API call again. Alright, we got some stuff going on here. Sent the order request over to this node. This node responded with a fresh address to where it can send the payment. This one sent the payment to that address. This guy received it over here. You can see adjusted the inventory count downwards because it got a new order. And if we come take a look, if we look in our database, this is the vendors database here. We have a new UTXO. This is basically a new Bitcoin that we just received of this value. Is there a Bitcoin transaction? Here's our sale. We can see the full contract details here. You can look through that. State 2 is receive the payment and it's ready to process. And if I look over in the database for the buyer, you can see I have 2 UTXOs here. I'm assuming the reason there's 2 is because of that third payment from the faucet. We didn't actually end up using it, right? So this was the third coin that we received from the faucet that we didn't end up using. This is our change from the second one. Transactions, we have 4 transactions. 3 of those were incoming and 1 was outgoing. We've got a couple spent UTXOs here, or spent transaction outputs, and purchase. Okay, so here's our contract and all the details for it. Okay, so that is kind of where we're up to here. It's not a whole lot more to do to kind of round this out. It's mostly just kind of releasing the funds and from like the escrow addresses and that sort of stuff, and it will be kind of mostly ready to go. Lots of still kind of like unit testing and integration testing to do, which you guys are certainly welcome to help out with if anyone wants to. So that's it for now.